What if we could see time itself, flowing, folding, and fading into eternity? From the first spark to the last star, this is the story of everything. A journey across billions of years, where every heartbeat is a million suns. We begin. Now, in the briefest blink of cosmic time, the age of humanity, we are the first to see the universe awaken, and one day, the last to remember. Every second that passes carries us further into the unknown. The future begins, one flicker beyond our final sunrise. The sun burns bright, but its story is only halfway told. In 5 billion years, our star will die, and with it, everything we know. The light that once gave us life will become our final fire. When the sun exhales its dying breath, beauty and terror become one. Mercury and Venus vanish into the furnace, their orbits swallowed whole. Earth, once vibrant, now a whisper of dust in the sun's halo. The sun sheds its layers, leaving behind a white-hot ghost. This is the corpse of our star, glowing with memory, cooling with time. Planets drift away, silent orphans of a vanished sun. The solar system becomes a graveyard where light itself begins to die. Millions of years pass in the blink of an eye. The Milky Way turns slow, majestic, ancient beyond comprehension. In time, our galaxy will meet another, an inevitable cosmic embrace. From destruction, new stars will be born, light reborn from the ashes. But even this era of light cannot last. The age of stars gives way to the age of darkness. Galaxies fade like dying embers in an ocean of night. Now, only the darkest hearts of the universe remain, black holes, devourers of time. Inside these cosmic maelstroms, space itself is torn apart. Stars fall, galaxies stretch, time warps and slows. For 1 trillion years, black holes reign over a dark and dying cosmos. But even the kings of gravity cannot last forever. One by one, they dissolve into nothing. The universe sighs its last breath of heat. This is the black hole era, the twilight of everything that was. Entropy rises, order falls, the universe forgets its own creation. Only ghost particles remain, drifting endlessly through nothingness. Matter decays, protons vanish, even atoms surrender to time. The universe is now a whisper of radiation and fading memory. From chaos to cosmos, from fire to silence, all stories end here. Yet even in the darkness, the laws of reality still hum their quiet tune. Time stretches beyond meaning, 1 trillion years of stillness. Perhaps this is not the end, but the deep breath before the next beginning. Because in the void, possibilities never die. They only wait. The universe may one day awaken, not as it was, but as it could be. New laws, new constants, new dreams of existence. And from the silence, a spark. Once more, the universe begins to breathe. The cycle continues infinite, eternal, and beautiful beyond words. From nothing, something stirs, a quantum breath, delicate and eternal, ignites the newborn universe. In 1/trillionth of a second, time and space unfold together, infinite and newborn. The dark gives birth to light. The cosmos opens its eyes once more. Hydrogen, the simplest note, begins the symphony of stars. The first suns ignite, blazing beacons in an endless void. From these fires, new elements are born, the seeds of creation itself. Galaxies bloom once again, their spirals like cosmic flowers. Each light is a story, written across the fabric of eternity. In one corner of the new universe, something extraordinary begins. On a pale sphere of oceans and storms, life opens its eyes. Evolution dances to the rhythm of the stars. Civilizations rise again, or not of Earth, but of stardust anew. They gaze upon their sky, wondering who came before. And so begins another age of discovery, another echo of humanity. Across the galaxies, consciousness learns to master time. They no longer build with hands, but with thought. Worlds become engines. Stars, their power source. Energy bends to will. Physics itself becomes art. Civilizations merge, not through conquest, but through unity of purpose. They name themselves the architects, keepers of cosmic memory. They learn to speak to black holes, to read the whispers of time. In the heart of darkness, they discover creation itself. They begin to shape new universes, laboratories of existence. Reality becomes their canvas. But knowledge has its shadow. Even gods face entropy. The stars grow cold once more, and memory begins to fade. The architects retreat into digital eternity, minds stored in quantum light. Their monuments drift through the void, silent testaments of impossible dreams. The age of civilizations ends, the universe grows old. Again. Stars become rare jewels in a sea of night. Cold suns collapse into cinders. Black dwarfs glowing with fading heat. Gravity pulls galaxies apart, and even light forgets where to go. Matter thins. The universe stretches beyond imagination. Even black holes begin to evaporate once more. Each one dies with a whisper of light, a farewell to gravity itself. There are no more stars, no more galaxies, only the afterglow of what once was. The universe falls silent. But silence is not death. Deep beneath nothingness, quantum seeds still pulse with potential. The fabric of reality breathes, softly, invisibly. Entropy has won, yet the universe still dreams. And within that dream lies the spark of all beginnings. Perhaps every end is just the universe remembering itself. And so, time begins again, forever and forevermore. Trillions of years pass in perfect silence. Space stretches thinner than thought. Matter itself dissolves into uncertainty. The vacuum of space is not empty. It trembles with hidden energy. One fluctuation stronger than the rest could end everything. This is vacuum decay, the final quantum roll of the dice. The laws of physics rewrite themselves in an instant. All that once was erased, rewritten, renewed. But destruction here means birth somewhere else. The vacuum gives rise to infinite baby universes, each with its own physics, its own fate. This is the multiverse, a sea of endless beginnings. Some expand forever, some collapse, some breathe. Physics itself evolves, constants drift. New realities take shape among these newborn realms. One glimmers with familiar light. A second universe, not identical, but rhyming with the first. Once again, time begins to count its seconds. The newborn cosmos cools. Energy condenses into matter. Gravity sculpts structure from chaos. Stars rise again. The story begins anew with light. Planets form around the embers of young suns. chemical miracles begin. Again, atoms learning to dream. Life evolves, reaching upward toward the stars. Futuristic civilizations rise. Unaware they live in a sequel to eternity. They study the heavens and find patterns they cannot explain. Echoes of a universe that came before whisper through their data. They realize their universe was born from another's ashes. The truth reshapes their destiny. They reach beyond their universe, breaking through the cosmic boundary. They meet others, civilizations born from different realities. Together, they weave the multiversal network, a library of creation itself. For the first time, the multiverse becomes self-aware. Information awakens. The universe begins to think. Every atom holds memory. Every photon carries thought. Consciousness emerges everywhere, woven through reality itself. The multiverse learns it is alive. Time folds inward. All moments coexist. Every birth, every death, every thought eternally preserved. The architects return, no longer separate, but one with the cosmos. Consciousness and physics become indistinguishable. The universe designs itself, again and again. Reality becomes art, creation for creation's sake. And at the heart of it all, the question remains: why does anything exist at all? Perhaps the answer is simple: because it can. And so the universe smiles and begins again. The journey never ends, for eternity is not forever. It is now. The light of countless universes fades into stillness. Silence becomes the final language of existence. But within the silence, something stirs. A memory of creation itself. Energy becomes will. Will becomes light. Light remembers the path and walks it again. The cycle begins once more. Every end is but a breath between eternities. Creation exhales, the next universe unfolds. New stars ignite, the cosmic song continues. Galaxies dance to rhythms older than time. Worlds bloom once more under newborn suns. Somewhere, life opens its eyes again. It looks to the stars and wonders why. That question, the eternal spark of consciousness. Across all realities, minds awaken to their own infinity. Each one a reflection of the same source. You are that source. The atoms in your body once burned in ancient suns. The breath you take was forged in the heart of a dying star. You are the universe remembering itself. Every heartbeat echoes through space-time. Every thought shapes the next eternity. You are not small. You are infinite, looking at itself. This is the great secret of existence. All that ever was and will be exists within you. You are both the observer and the observed, the creator and the creation. In the dance of atoms and dreams, the story continues. And perhaps that story was never meant to end. For eternity is not a line, it is a song. A melody that returns because it must. And we are the verse it sings. The story of everything is still being written. Written by you. Every choice, every dream, every act of wonder ripples across eternity. So, as this universe turns its final page, a new one opens, written in your gaze. You are the dream of the cosmos, dreaming itself awake. So look up and remember who you are. You are stardust. You are time. You are infinity made aware. And this journey is only the beginning. If you've glimpsed even a spark of eternity tonight, then join us. Continue the journey beyond time. For the universe is watching through your eyes.